I just wanted you all to know that I do listen to what you're asking. I can actually hear you right now. That's right, I just heard you look over to your wife and say, man, I really want a Florida home that will let me keep my boat on the side of the house because keeping it at a storage facility is such a pain. Did I nail it there? Oh, and don't worry, I also didn't forget about you RVers out there either, because today we're gonna be discussing the least expensive way to get a brand new home built for you with no HOA in Indian River County. That's right, no condo commandos or overbearing Karen-filled management companies. It is your land to do with as you wish, within reason, of course. All right, now it's time to discuss what we're going to be covering in today's video. First, because I know it's everyone's favorite part, we're going to be touring each model home with a little voiceover from me as we walk through each house. So we have two different categories to cover. The first will be the value series, where you get the most bang for your buck and is the most affordable way to get into new construction in all of Indian River County. But after that, we dive into the Cornerstone Collection, where you can have a little bit more fun with the customizations of the home and also enjoy some more luxurious features like those 3-car garages that we all love and much larger floor plans with added flexibility. So once we're done with those tours, we'll jump straight into the nitty-gritty details on how pricing works, how you can pick your own lot and build a custom home from there, and of course, the different floor plans that they offer. So now, remember when I said I could hear you guys? I think I can hear what you're saying now.
Shall we begin?
Okay, let's go do it. Now guys, this is gonna be fun, and I already know that I'm gonna be going through weeks of nonstop calls from you guys once you hear the prices on these homes. So let's not waste any more time and go check out the Royal from Holiday Builders. All right guys, now it's time to step into the Royal, a gem for the highly regarded value collection. So this home isn't just spacious, it's smartly designed for modern living. So boasting 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and 1,802 square feet, it offers the perfect blend of comfort and privacy. So the master suite stands out as a secluded sanctuary, set apart from the other bedrooms for that extra peace and quiet. The heart of the Royal is its open concept kitchen and great room. So this space is the ideal setting for family gatherings, blending style and functionality with stainless steel appliances and inviting dining area right at the front, perfect for meals and downtime alike. But it's the attention to energy efficiency that truly sets this home apart. With features like a digital thermostat, a 14 SEER rated HVAC system, and dual pane energy efficient windows, every detail is designed to keep you comfortable while keeping costs down. Owning a home like the Royal is about investing in your future, offering an affordable and smart choice with high quality finishes like laminate countertops, vinyl flooring, and cozy carpeting in the living areas and bedrooms. So as we walk through this property, imagine the possibilities of turning this house into your cherished home. The Royal is not just a floor plan, it's the first step to your dream of Florida homeownership. Now, my man Dallas is touring with a nice couple right now in the next model home that we had scheduled for the day. So I figured this would be a good time to go ahead and mention some things. First of all, I just have to get something off my chest because it seems to be happening more and more recently, and it's not your fault because I do need to do a better job of letting you all know. So even if you don't retire for 5 years or have a 3 to 4 year buying time frame, it is not too early for us to start working together, especially if you're interested in new construction. So the reason I say that is because it's been happening a ton recently where folks are saying they didn't want to bother us but decided to go toward new construction on their own. So what the builders don't tell you is that if we're not in with you on that first visit to the model center, they will not allow you to work with us when it comes time to buy. So the reason is that we need to be the procuring cause of you visiting the model home. And if we're not there in that first visit, you don't receive all the added benefits of using a realtor, such as additional negotiation on your deal, regular construction updates, and a lot more. So now, while we wait on Dallas to go ahead and finish up, I also wanted to say, please like this video and subscribe if you find videos like this helpful. And last but not least, if you're looking to work with the best relocation team on the Florida East Coast, please don't hesitate to reach out to us using the contact information below. So we love what we do and we look forward to getting your call. So now let's say that you've scraped up a few more pennies, maybe freshly retired, or just have a taste for the finer things in life, then Holiday Builders has you covered with the Cornerstone Collection. So I'm standing behind the Highland, which I'm behind it. I was supposed to be in front of it, but it's a little bit windy. But I think that this floor plan is going to speak to a lot of you guys out there. So let's not waste any more time and go ahead and tour the Highland from the Cornerstone Collection. All right, so now it's time to check out the Highland, a standout from the Cornerstone Collection at Holiday Builders. So this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom marvel stretching over 1,637 square feet and boasting a spacious 3-car garage is all about modern living tailored to you. So with its multiple elevation options, the Highland isn't just any home, it's your future home customized to match your dreams. So as we step inside, the inviting foyer opens up a world of possibilities. To one side, a versatile den awaits, ideal for your home office, art studio, or a cozy retreat from the hustle and bustle. To the other side, a private dining room promises memorable meals and celebrations with direct access to the kitchen, making hosting a breeze. And speaking of the kitchen, it's not just a space, it's the heart of this home. So imagine yourself here with an L-shaped counter that includes the dishwasher and sink, blending functionality with the joy of cooking and entertaining. The added pantry ensures that you have all the space that you need for your kitchen essentials as well. So the Highland's thoughtful split floor plan means living in comfort. On one side, the owner's suite offers a sanctuary of peace with a huge walk-in closet and a luxurious bathroom complete with all the amenities for a private retreat. So just outside the owner's suite, the laundry room offers practical access to the expansive 3-car garage. Across the home, bedrooms 2 and 3 provide quiet corners for relaxation, sharing a well-equipped bathroom and adding convenience with a hallway linen closet. So whether you've got recreational gear or just need some extra storage, this garage has got you covered, fitting both your lifestyle and your adventures that you've got planned here in Sebastian. So it's important to note that the lot is your choice, allowing the flexibility to pick the perfect spot for your Highland home. And welcome to the Highland. All right, now we're getting into the nitty-gritty part of this video, because if you've made it this far, then chances are you're ready to dive into some of those numbers and also other possibilities that this builder has to offer. So first, let's go ahead and talk numbers, starting with the value series, the most affordable way to get into new construction for this county. So there's really two different categories here within the value series. First will be the single car garage homes, which you see here, and have honestly been perfect for quite a few of my clients. And if having just under 1,300 square feet works for you and fits your needs, then I highly recommend looking into going this route, because you're essentially getting a brand new home with all of the added benefits of new construction, such as lower insurance costs, added warranty, and honestly not having to worry about replacing anything at all for a very long time for the same price as what they want for these older frame homes, with a lot more headaches to deal with down the road. So you see these homes start at only $307,000 all in, and only 2 on this list go above 3.25, which is pretty crazy given the current market right now. So moving right along, and we have the 2 and 3 car garage versions of the value series. This is where you can get greater square footage like what we saw in the first model home tour without breaking that bank. So prices for these homes start at only $348,000 for their current inventory and work their way up to $377,000. But if you look at the bottom of the sheet, you'll notice that Holiday actually owns quite a few lots that a value series home can be built on. Pretty cool, right? This means that you can either choose to call us and meet at the office to go over which model home that you'd like to build, or scour their website and select the one that works best for you. So no matter which way that you choose to go with this, we promise to make it easy for you. All right, now it's time to step it up to the Cornerstone Collection. This is where the finishes get a little bit nicer, allowing you to really enjoy your home to its fullest potential. So pulling up the sheet, and you'll see that they're a little bit light on inventory, and for good reason. So people are loving the quality that Holiday Builders has to offer, and they're selling out so quickly. So the first part of this page shows you the lots that Holiday owns, and they allow you to build any home on their Cornerstone Collection that you'd like on it, as long as the house will fit on the lot. So these prices include the cost of clearing the land and adding fills, so they take the guesswork out of it. Don't worry, I'll jump into that sheet in just a second. So the second part is the inventory home. So these prices are all in pricing, so there's no guesswork when it comes to what the final price will be. So now, if you're curious what other homes can be built on these lots owned by Holiday, go ahead and check out this sheet. So they have conveniently listed these homes from smallest to largest based on square footage, and you can see what the price is of each home that you build. All you need to do is add in the price of the lot, which, remember, includes the cost of clearing and the fill, and voila, you have yourself a brand new home in the works. Alrighty guys, so if you are excited about this builder and you just can't wait for him to come up, I did want to mention one more thing, one more little golden nugget, if you will. If you liked Holiday Builders and the quality of construction that they built, because trust me, I have seen it from the ground up, they do an amazing job with it. If you like that, then they are going to be opening up a new neighborhood called Spirit of Sebastian. This is an HOA community just west of US 1 in Sebastian, so very easy access to Captain Hiram's, Tiki Bar, all that kind of stuff, and also to the causeway to get over to the beach. This is going to be a great community where Holiday Builders is going to be building their Cornerstone Collection. I'm not entirely sure exactly what the full spectrum of their floor plans are going to be, but this is going to be a great opportunity. If, like, let's say that you have a requirement for county or city sewer versus the septic that you see a lot in the Sebastian Highlands. This is going to be a good opportunity for that. Also, it hasn't been completely confirmed yet, but there may be an opportunity for RV or boat storage. So stay tuned for that. Hopefully we can get some more confirmation on those details as we go on, and I'll make sure to have that confirmed before I make the full video on Spirit of Sebastian. So just wanted to show you that real quick. Let's get back to it. So here's my closing thoughts on this video. This is an awesome opportunity, and scattered lots in the Sebastian Highlands are quickly dwindling and will not be available for much longer. So if you wanted to capitalize on this opportunity and work with the best relocation team on the Florida East Coast, don't hesitate to give us a call, shoot us a text, or send that email, because we will have your back when relocating to the Florida East Coast. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll talk to you guys when you call.